In this video, we will see how to split a large folder in multiple small folder on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you want to split your large folder into 2 to 3 multiple small folder, then here are the process. For example, this is a folder and having its capacity, we will change, right click on it and choose properties, and you can see size on disk 246 MB. Now we will split this folder into 2 to 3 smaller folder. What is the process? To do so, go to Windows Search and here type WinRAR. If you have already installed WinRAR in your system, then open with WinRAR. Otherwise, download and install WinRAR in your system. Once successfully completed, restart your system and now right click on your desired folder which you want to split in multiple small folders. Right click on it and here you will find the WinRAR option available and simply click to add to archive. A new archive name and parameters page will open. You will find the option split to volume size and choose a volume either 5 MB, 100 MB, 2 GB, auto detect. So choose as per your choice. If you choose 5 MB and other, choose a folder size. So first you can verify your actual folder size and it is size on disk 246 MB. So we can split this folder into 3 smaller folder having size 100 MB per folder. So choose 100 MB and finally click on OK. Some other parameters you also change and it will take some time creating archive your folder. Wait for some time till 100% completion of compression ratio, elapsed time and some other function. After that, go to your original folder location. Here you can see all your folder is still and it will split in 3 smaller folder. So go to the original file location, right click on it and first choose properties and see location of this file. See users OneDrive desktop folder. So this splitted folder will be visible on this file location. So open C drive, go to the file original folder location, users and here desktop OneDrive and here go to desktop folder and you can see open desktop folder. No, this folder is vacant. Open desktop folder and here you will see all your update. Either one folder original folder is here and 3 smaller folder opened here. Update either part 1.rar, part 2.rar and part 3.rar. Now we will see how to change downloaded file location, saving location. You can easily change your downloaded file location. To do so, go to your browser, preferred browser, and here click on 3 vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. Click on settings. Thereafter, click on 3 horizontal line against top left corner and here scroll down and choose downloads. Scroll down and click on downloads. Click on it and here you will find the download file location. You can easily change. Click on change button against location and choose a preferred location from your browser and finally click on OK. Select a folder. You may create a new folder in your selected drive. Right click on it and choose, hover the cursor on new and hover the cursor on new and choose a folder, assign a folder name and finally click on select folder. Now your downloaded file saving location successfully changed. Close the window. You can, some other changes you may also change. So downloads when they are done, as ask where to save each file before downloading. Close the windows. Now we will see how to change a screenshot file location. Go to settings, right click on start button and choose settings. New downloaded file location. Go to system from the left side. Here scroll down and choose storage. Here scroll down and you will find the option advanced storage settings. Click on it. Here click on where new content is saved. And here you will find a list of options. New apps will save to, new documents will save to, new music will save to, new photos and videos will save to, new movies and TV shows will save to. Change where you store your offline maps. Simply click on a small arrow just beside it and change your drive as per your preference. So from where you can easily change saving location of newly content, music, video from your desired drive. The next important folder settings of your Windows 11 and 10 system is open File Explorer. Press Win plus E shortcut key to open File Explorer, and here go, your drive is here. Click on three horizontal dot against top menu bar and here choose options. Folder option page will now open. Here open File Explorer 2. Under General tab, you can change files, put a File Explorer opening on a start page. If you want to change home page, then select home page and choose apply and OK and close the windows. Now you will open to File Explorer and home page will available. If you want to change home page to this PC, again go to the same folder option, General, and open File Explorer to this PC or other folder. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next important folder settings is change your folder's name with insert emoji and other symbols in your folder's name. As you see, in folder name, symbols were available. So how to rename your folder with symbols and emojis, how to insert, here are the process. Right click on your folder which you want to insert emoji and symbols, and here choose show more options and click on rename and keep the cursor where you want to insert emojis, and here press shortcut key win plus dot, win plus dot, and after pressing win key plus dot, an emoji folder will available. Here choose a list of all emojis and symbols available here. Choose as per your choice and it will inserted in your file folder's name. So this is an important folder settings where you can insert emojis and symbols to your folder's name. Press Windows key plus dot conjointly to open emojis and symbol folder, and from where you can easily select a emoji or symbols to your file name. That's all.